Hi, Deborah here to show you how to publish content manually using our Gain Notify app. Even though we're all for automation, there are times when you need to publish things manually, and this is why Gain lets you choose which posts you want to publish yourself. I'll show you an example using this Instagram reel. Click the pencil icon to edit your post, head to Publishing Mode, and select Manual via Gain Notify. Next, you can double check the publishing date, and once you're happy with it, click Save and then Schedule. You can schedule your post so that when it's time to publish it, Gain sends you a reminder via the Gain Notify app. Now that this post is scheduled, I want to confirm I'm set as the person in charge of publishing. To do so, go to Workspace Settings. Next, click Social Channels, select Instagram, and under Manual Publisher, you should see your name. And if you don't see your name, select it from the list, click Set as Manual Publisher, and you're done. Now that you're set as a manual publisher, you'll get push notifications through the Gain Notify app and email reminders as well. The Gain Notify app copies the content to your phone to make publishing easy. You can download it in the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android. After Gain sends the reminder, the status of the post changes from scheduled to pending manual publication. So now I just have to wait for the reminder. Here we go. This is the push notification, and when I open it, I can see my post in the pending section. To publish this post, select it and click Post to Instagram. Then yes, I'm logged in correctly, and finally, I understand. On the Instagram app, go to the plus icon and click Reel. Select the video from the gallery. Gain saves your caption, so all you have to do here is paste it. And once you're happy with your post, click Share. To tell Gain that your post is published, go back to the Gain Notify app and click I already published this. So now my post is live in Gain and I can check the activity to confirm. And that's it. I hope this video was useful, and if you have questions, feel free to write them in the comments below.